Firoz here from Decentralized Chain, bringing you the pulse of the crypto market. Today, we're turning the spotlight on Cirus. It's made headlines with a staggering 40% surge in just 24 hours. And this kind of movement begs the question, what's happening behind the scenes? What do they know that we don't? And here's the kicker. I have a feeling this is just the beginning. There's more to this story and it could be huge. So let's dive in and uncover the secrets behind Cirus's recent pump and what it could mean for its future. Stay tuned because this is going to be exciting. So Cirus Foundation is not just another cryptocurrency, it's a change in the digital world, launched back in 2021, operating on the Ethereum platform and also present on BNB Smart Chain and Polygon. It's an amalgamation of AI and big data, IoT, the Ethereum ecosystem, Web3, and tokenization. Now, think of Cirus as a cross between some of the most innovative projects in crypto, comparing with other cryptos. Ocean Protocol, a titan in data sharing and monetization, leading the charge in AI and big data. You've also got Fetch.ai, integrating machine learning, AI, and blockchain to forge an economic internet. And then you also have SingularityNET, pioneering decentralized AI, setting benchmarks in the industry. Now, these comparisons are not just to show similarities, but to highlight how Cirus is integrating and pushing the boundaries in these spaces. But here's where it gets really interesting. Cirus isn't just a concept, it's a full-blown product with over 10,000 users. So imagine earning just by browsing. Yes, so with any browser. Choose your rewards in either Cirus or USD for your data, and the perks don't stop there. Your cryptocurrency is not just stored, it's secured with instant transactions. Plus, holding Cirus, that means you're earning more as each wallet boosts your benefits like a mini miner on the network. Now let's get our hands dirty. I'm going to walk you through the Cirus wallet extension, from downloading to making an account. They're constantly adding new features to this extension. And for those interested in staking and security, check out the staking section with APY percentages, all audited by Hacken for that extra layer of security. Now, as I mentioned before, Cirus is a full product, which is already operational with over 10,000 users. And you can simply earn by browsing the web, similar to, like we mentioned, Brave. And it's really straightforward to do. You head on over to the Cirus Foundation website and you click on Download Cirus. And this will take you over to the relevant extension. And all you do is you install that extension on your browser. It will go through the standard setup processes, which is basically your name, your email address, and then it'll also send you a code in order to verify. Once you've done that, your wallet is actually then set up. And literally that's how easy it is to actually then just start earning for just browsing, right? So you're getting monetized for your data at the end of the day. And here, you'll start accumulating your Cirus rewards for doing that. But as a wallet as a whole, again, you can send and receive. If you want to receive some Cirus, you click on receive. It will generate the QR code or the address, whichever one that you want to share, and then you can go ahead and share that. If you want to send it, it's the same process. You get the address, click next and send. Again, if you can use it to also store your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Tether, and it's the same process. You go in, you can receive, you send the QR code or the address, and again, it will then be stored in your wallet. You can also swap between various assets as well using their swap function. The interesting part is that I think one of the things that we definitely want to mention here is there is also a staking pool. So if you head back to the Cirus Foundation website and go to the token hub, from here, you can actually stake tokens and get returns on them as well. So if you just click on staking pools, it will then take you through to the actual relevant section. And here you can see the APY here is 27% for staking Cirus tokens. And you just go ahead and click stake, connect your Web3 wallet and stake, and then choose the amount of tokens that you want to stake with it. And then likewise, you go ahead and confirm the stake. Just remember that 15% of your tokens will be contributed to the Cirus ecosystem. So you're going to earn rewards on the remaining 85%. So obviously increasing your stake will automatically claim all staking rewards to your wallet. And that's how straightforward it is in order to actually start earning rewards with the Cirus extension. And remember that there are many more features to come. Now, delving into something quite intriguing here, the Cirus Tokenomics version 2 paper. It outlines a significant change towards a deflationary model for Cirus. What's fascinating is the potential reduction of nearly half of the token supply. This is big news in the crypto world, as supply reduction can significantly impact a token's value. The core changes are reduction of total supply. Now, this move could create a scarcity effect, potentially driving the token's value. Reallocation of remaining supply, so adjusting the distribution to align with the new strategy. Change in data reward structure, transitioning to a remit by burn model. And this could add a dynamic layer to how rewards are handled within the ecosystem. And a transition to a deflationary model. Now, this could lead to increased demand over time, as a reduced supply may enhance the token's scarcity and perceived value. These updates are not just minor tweaks, they're foundational changes that could shape how Cirus operates and grows in the market. Now let's talk about a recent development that's catching a lot of attention. Cirus has reportedly closed a significant partnership deal, and the details are quite intriguing. The partner in question is believed to be Shift Markets. And this is noteworthy because Shift Markets isn't just any player. They're a well-established entity with connections to 59 exchanges and an extensive user base of over 40 million. Now, the implications of this partnership for Cirus could be substantial. Shift Markets' vast network and influence in the crypto markets present a unique opportunity for Cirus to expand its reach and potentially enhance its market presence. Now, if this partnership materializes as speculated, it could mark a pivotal point for Cirus, opening up new avenues and opportunities within the crypto ecosystem. Moreover, this development could be just the beginning, potentially catching the eye of larger exchanges, further amplifying Cirrus's visibility and impact in the crypto space. The implications of this partnership with Cirus could be substantial. Shift Markets' vast network and influence in the crypto market present a unique opportunity for Cirus to expand its reach and potentially enhance its market presence. If this partnership materializes, as speculated, it could mark a pivotal point for Cirus, opening up new avenues and opportunities within the crypto ecosystem. In the often opaque world of crypto, Cirus stands out with transparency. Regular docs videos on their YouTube channel show a team that's certainly not hiding in the shadows, a crucial factor in this industry. And if you're as intrigued as I am about Cirus, dive into their white paper, hit the link in the description, and while you're there, smash that like button and subscribe to Decentralized Chain for more cutting-edge crypto insights. Did you know in 2021, Kucoin Labs saw the potential in Cirus and invested? You can actually get Cirus tokens directly on the Kucoin exchange. But before we wrap up, let's play a bit with numbers and speculate where a project like Cirus could potentially end up. Remember, the projects we compared Cirus with earlier, Ocean Protocol, Fetch.ai, and SingularityNET, let's use them as a benchmark. If Cirus reaches or even surpasses these market caps of these established projects, given its innovative approach and the recent developments, we could be looking at a substantial increase in valuation. For instance, if Cirus were to attain a market cap similar to Ocean Protocol, $309 million, or Fetch.ai's $429 million, we could see a significant rise in its token price. Considering its reduced total supply post the Tokenomics V2 changes, this could represent a growth of approximately 78x or even 109x respectively. Similarly, matching SingularityNET's market cap of $380 million would be a significant milestone for Cirus, potentially leading to a growth of around 96x from its current self-reported market cap of approximately 3.9 million. Of course, these are speculative scenarios, and the crypto market is notoriously volatile and unpredictable. However, it's interesting to consider the possibilities and potential of Cirus, especially in the context of its recent strategic moves and the growing interest from larger exchanges and market players. Remember, investing in crypto carries risk. It's always recommended to do thorough research and consider professional financial advice. That's a wrap on Cirus Foundation. If you believe in the power of data monetization and the future of crypto, consider exploring Cirus further. The future of crypto isn't just about currency, it's about innovation, empowerment. Sometimes it's about playing the long game and seeing where the numbers could lead. Remember, do your due diligence, and who knows, you might find yourself part of a revolutionary journey in the crypto space. This is Firoz from Decentralized Chains signing off. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights in the crypto world.